Hi guys, welcome back again with me in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add up a column in Google Sheets. So as you can see here, this is my data and if you want to add a new column in, for example, in the middle of the data, just block the data for example, I want to add a column beside the C column. I'm going to click on this and then right click and click on insert one column left. Just like so, the new column has been added beside the C column like this. It's so easy, and you can also add a multiple column like this. When you block two columns, you can add two columns right or left, and then when you block, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 column, you can also insert 5 columns to the right or left. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can add up a column or multiple column in your Google Sheets file. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.